Alam niyo ba, wala nang expiration ang validity ng birth certificate natin. Ayon nito sa RA 11909 o Permanent Validity of Certificates of Live Birth, Death, or Marriage na naisabatas noong July 28, 2022. Layunin nito, bawasan ang paulit-ulit na proseso sa pagkuha at paggamit ng civil registry documents. Kaya naman, ayon sa batas, certificates of live birth, death, and marriage shall have permanent validity, regardless of the date of issuance, and shall be recognized and accepted in all government or private transactions or services requiring submission thereof as proof of identity and legal status of a person. Ibig sabihin, basta buo, nababasa at malinaw pa naman ang inyong birth certificate, kailangan itong tanggapin sa lahat ng government agency at sa private transactions. Kung meron authentic BC at kahit luma na ito, bawal sila mag-require ng bago. Kung gagawin nila ito, may parusang kulong mula 1 month and 1 day to 6 months o multa mula 5,000 o 10,000 pesos o pareho. Kung public official ang gumawa, may temporary disqualification to hold office pa. Kung gawin nila ito sa inyo, igiit nyo ang inyong karapatan. Permanent na ang validity ng birth certificate.